told you BMW was bringing back one of its most iconic nameplates? What if I told you the legendary 6 Series was making a triumphant return in 2020? Well, hold that excitement, because the story is more complicated than you might think. Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about luxury sports cars, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're diving deep into the mystery of the 2026 BMW 6 Series. Let's set the stage. The BMW 6 Series has a storied history. From the elegant E24 generation that defined luxury grand touring in the 70s and 80s, to the modern incarnations that brought that classic spirit into the 21st century. But by 2023, it seemed like the 6 Series era had come to an end. The final nail in the coffin came in August 2023 when BMW officially discontinued the 6 Series Gran Turismo globally. Other variants had already been phased out by 2019, replaced by the 8 Series. The 6 Series nameplate seemed to be history. But then something unexpected happened. Mid-24, automotive media outlets started buzzing with incredible news. The 6 Series was coming back. And not just coming back, but making a bold return as a replacement for multiple model lines. According to these reports, BMW was planning to discontinue the struggling 8 Series due to poor sales and phase out the combustion engine, 4 Series coupe and convertible variants. In their place, a brand new 226 BMW 6 Series. The speculation was incredibly detailed. This wasn't just wishful thinking. We're talking about reports suggesting BMW would build the new 6 Series on their advanced Claire platform. That's the same architecture that underpins their electric iX and i7 models. The rumored lineup was impressive: coupe, convertible, and even a Grand Coupe variant. Powertrain options would include traditional gasoline engines, hybrid systems, and fully electric variants. Production was allegedly set to begin in July 26 at BMW's prestigious Dingolfing plant in Germany. Think about that for a second. BMW consolidating their premium coupe and convertible offerings under one legendary nameplate. It made perfect strategic sense. But then BMW spoke, and when they did, it wasn't what anyone expected to hear. In an official statement, BMW categorically denied all these reports, with a spokesperson stating, quote, "There are currently no plans to reintroduce the BMW 6 Series to the market for model year 2026, despite what is being widely speculated in automotive media circles." That's a pretty clear denial. No maybe, no we're considering it, no nothing. Just a flat no plans. So what does this mean for BMW enthusiasts? Well, it tells us several important things about BMW's current strategy. First, those rumors about discontinuing the 8 Series? That seems to be false too. BMW appears committed to their current model lineup. Second, it suggests BMW isn't ready to consolidate their premium coupe and convertible offerings just yet. The 4 Series and 8 Series seem to be staying put, at least for now. And third, it shows us that even when rumors seem incredibly well-sourced and detailed, sometimes they're just that, rumors. But here's what's fascinating. Why were these rumors so believable? Why did they resonate so strongly with automotive journalists and enthusiasts alike? Well, BMW has been on a bit of a retro-futurism kick lately. We've seen them revive classic design cues and nameplates, the return of the 2 Series Coupe, the new 5 Series looking more classic than ever. Bringing back the 6 Series would have fit perfectly with this strategy. Plus, there's the strategic logic. BMW's model lineup has gotten increasingly complex. Consolidating under fewer, more iconic nameplates makes perfect business sense. So what should you take away from all this? If you're in the market for a premium BMW coupe or convertible, the 4 Series and 8 Series are here to stay. The electric revolution continues with BMW's i-Series offerings. And who knows, maybe BMW is working on something 6 Series related, but they're just not ready to talk about it yet. The automotive industry loves its secrets. But here's the thing that really gets me. The 6 Series legacy is still alive and well, just not in the way we expected. The design language, the grand touring philosophy, that perfect blend of luxury and performance, that DNA lives on in BMW's current offerings. Whether it's the comfort and refinement of the 8 Series or the sporty elegance of the 4 Series, the spirit of the 6 Series continues to influence BMW's approach to luxury grand touring. So what do you think? Were you excited about the rumored 2026 BMW 6 Series? Are you disappointed by BMW's official denial? Or do you think there's more to this story than meets the eye? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into BMW's mysterious 6 Series situation, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be exploring more automotive mysteries and the latest industry news. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep driving, and remember, sometimes the most interesting stories are the ones that never actually happen.